Are you saving for a trip? Are you finding it hard to get the money together? Does your payslip just disappear days after you've been paid? Well, have I got the video for you? Stick around and I'll show you my tips and tricks on how to save for your next travel extravaganza. So my top 3 tips for saving are pretty standard. You've heard all of them. Don't buy your coffee. Don't go out for food. Move your savings straight away into your savings account. All of these are great tips. My top 3 tips are along the same lines, but a little bit different. So tip number 1 for me is reward yourself from not spending that money. Every time I make a coffee at home and take it with me, I reward myself for not buying that $5 cup of coffee by moving that $5 into my savings account. Like, great job! Increasing your savings step by step. My top 2 tip is to have your savings account with a separate bank. That way, if you need to move that money out of your savings account and into your regular account, it takes a lot more thought and not just the swipe of a card. My account gives me extra bonus interest every month for increasing the balance, and after the first withdrawal, charges me $5 for a withdrawal. So basically, no way that I'm spending that money without knowing it or without it costing me a lot. Top 3 is just cutting down on your impulse spending. And the way that I do this is I unsubscribe from all my shopping emails, all my apps, and all my shopping, makeup and whatnot Instagrams. Basically, I stop seeing the temptation in front of me. I replace them with travel related things, and then I'm just constantly motivated to keep that savings plan going rather than spending my money on, oh, that lipstick's really nice, oh yeah, I could do with some more hair color, etc., etc. Because that is the downfall of saving for your trip. I have a lot more saving tips. So if you're interested in seeing a longer video where I tell you my top 10 saving trips when saving for a vacation, a holiday, a weekend getaway, or any momentous event in your life, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below with your favorite saving trips, and of course subscribe so that you support me in this journey that we're taking together as we travel around the world. So thank you so much for joining me today here on Come Travel With Me, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!